respecting me, 'cause I just want to be free. He put the mask on, left me at